welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to share notes to Instagram Reels or post. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, let's just go ahead and find a reel right here. Go to Reels, and then what we'll do is just go ahead and tap on the share button. Okay, tap on it. Now in here, you should be able to find add a note right here if you're using iOS. Alright. And as you can see here, I don't have it. It is because my phone model is relatively old. All right, you should be able to see yours in here. Add a note, just tap on it and go ahead and add in your note. And once done, you're good to go. Same goes to a normal post. For example, this post. All right, tap on share. You should be able to see notes right here as well. Okay, if you can't find it, make sure that you update your Instagram app. Okay, if your phone is relatively new, go ahead and update your Instagram app, and once done, you should be able to find the same button. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.